How to get amazing discount offers and promo codes for room and board. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In order to find up to 50% off on room and board promo codes, you can go to any of your preferred browser and search for room and board promo codes. There are various websites listed. Tap on some of the popular websites such as Worth Penny. Once you tap on Worth Penny, search for room and board and you can get up to 65% discounts. The best offer is also provided there along with the additional deals and offers. Tap on any of such that you want to use and you can copy the code. Now go back to the room and board and you can use to redeem it while checkout. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.